Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Now, after configuring the Active Directory in the last video of the Server 2016 practical series, now we are showing the some practicals of the group policy management. First, in group policy management, we have to go to tools and click on the group policy management. There are two types of policy. One is first is default domain policy and second is default domain controller policy. In default domain policy, we configure the practicals like a different type of policy which will assign on the client side, and in default domain controller policy is the policy which only assign on the on only the system of the DC, means its own over server system. So let's start the practice. As you know that we have another clients is Windows 10, and we have already create one user, and but right now the practical is now regarding the group policy management is to set the password policy first, and then how to account lock and unlock the account. These are the two practicals today we have performed. As you can see that our domain is tus.com, tushar.com. Now group policy management window is open. Now go to domains, expand the domain tus.com. Now you can see the option default domain policy, and another is in domain controller is default domain controller policy. Now we can see the default domain policy because we have to do the practical of regarding set the password policies. First, right click on the default domain policy. Now click on edit. It will open the another window. Now there are two options. One is computer configuration and second one is user. So computer, we have to perform the policies. So first we have to go on the computer configuration. Expand the policies. go to the Windows settings. Expand the option security settings. In the account security setting, you can click the account policies. Now you can see the first one is the password policy that we are doing. I click on the password policy. You can see these are the information. The password history is the 24 passwords, remember. Then maximum password is the limit is of the age of the password is 45 and minimum is 1. Minimum password length is 7 characters, and these are the complexity request options. So first we have to do the changes on this. Go to properties. Now you can put here 0. Now there is no need to provide the such length of password. You can put the any kind of password. Now another is the option is password must meet the complexity requirements. Now the property is, now you can click disable, so there is no needed the complexity requirement, like you do not have to provide the at the rate dollar hashtag like sign to assign the password. There is no requirement of this. So these are the things are done. This is the basic requirement. So set the password. Now we can just update the now close this screen. To do, first we have to open the CMD. To run the gp update force command. To applying the policy on the client side. Now the cmd we have to run the command gp update slash push. It's updating the policies on the to apply on the server to client side. Now, minimize the window. Now click on the tools, go to active directory users and computers. We have already create one user. We can find user name from if you have more than one user, then you can find username by find. You can enter the name here, username like. So it's getting the username. Now we have already set the password policy, so we can reset our password and we can set the password by any normal password like we can enter the password like 123 123. So you can say that password has been changed if because the password policy has been changed, like there is no character limit and there is no data complexity. If the we haven't removed that settings from group policy, then it asking there error like a group policy management. Now this is the one practical of the group policy. So another one is again is the go to another again group policy management. Then again go to default domain policy, click on edit, Now again go to policies, expand the Windows settings, again expand the security settings, again go to account policies and is account lockout policy. Now is here you can see the account lockout duration. You can define here properties, you can define the $30. So if account will lock out, then its approximate by default time is 30 minutes, then it will automatically unlock after 30 minutes. And here the how many wrong attempts it will invalid login. So here we can keep the value 3. If you wrong 3 times password, then account will going to lock out. Close that. again one time run command. Policy is applied. Now we are checking the account threshold time is account lockout practical on the client side on our Windows 10 system. This is our username Tushar, which have login. The real password is 123. Now we can enter the 456. It's wrong. Again we can enter 456. It's wrong. And again is 456. Now you can say after 3 time it's showing the message the account is currently logged out and may not be logged on into due to wrong password. Now we can go back to our server OS. Now here is our user Tushar Prajapati, and go to properties, go to account. You can see the message is unlock the account. This account is currently logged out. Now click on here, apply. Okay, again see the window. Okay. Now you can see the account is unlocked. Now try again with correct password on client side. Correct password is 123. This password is changed, is asking for first time change. Now we can give 456. Now it's changing the password. So these are the two practicals that we have done right now. Is first one is the how to change the password, means we if we do not enter the complex password and we do not have take to some sufficient required length of the password. And another practical is how the account lock. So if you guys like this practical, then like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati to watch more videos, and press the bell icon for get the notification. Thanks for